Hello guys and welcome here. My name is Yassine and welcome back to another of my videos. So like always, today we are going to learn different ways to be able to make money online. So like always, this channel is really about this topic. So basically what I'm proposing you today is two websites that will pay you to fill up surveys and play games. So basically you need absolutely nothing besides of an internet connection to be able to generate a really interesting side income. So once again, you will not become millionaire with using those things or those websites, but once again, you can generate a really interesting side income. So by the end of the month, this could be enough to buy, I don't know, to pay for something or just go on a small trip or whatever. So you'll see it's pretty cool. You'll see those websites are really easy to use. They work anywhere you want in the world. So usually they work everywhere. And well, you can connect really easily and you don't need no knowledge about nothing. So basically what you do, you just play games and you fill up surveys. And usually they have surveys each and every day. You can play games each and every day. And you can fill up some other tasks if you guys want to earn points or money even faster. So this way you will be able to generate even more income. So if you do this, let's say 30 minutes to 1 hour a day, you will be able to generate a really interesting income by the end of the month. So let's not wait anymore and let's jump right into it. Alright, so two websites that we are going to talk about today are both pretty interesting and both of them offer you guys really great features to be able to make money directly online. So the first website that we are going to talk about today is Swagbuck. So as you can see here, guys, Swagbuck offers you the opportunity to basically make money simply by filling up surveys or playing games. So as I said, so basically just go on Google and you can write down Swagbuck. So the main page should look something like this. So basically you can sign up using Facebook or just creating yourself an account. Until now, the website has paid over, well, all this amount of money. So almost $500 million in shares to its partners. So depending of where you are in the world, you can receive more or less opportunities, which is pretty cool. So let's jump right inside of the website and see what it looks like. So basically we have it right here. So when you create yourself an account, guys, you should be somewhere like somewhere here. So basically it looks something like this. So this is the main page. Once again, there are plenty of things that you guys can do. So first of all, when you create yourself an account, you receive SBs. This is their points. We can say it this way. So basically you will receive points. And in the case of this website, each time you reach 100 points, you receive $1. So basically 1 SB is equal to 1 cent. Basically right here, as you can see, you have some basic surveys that will pay you 5 SBs. When you create yourself an account, so as you can see here, you have the potential to earn almost, when the account is created, more than 1,000 SBs, so which is pretty cool. And you have a lot of opportunities. So just here you have a lot of things. Another thing that I like a lot with this platform is that each time that you refer someone to the platform, you'll receive 10% of their earnings for a lifetime. So right here, it's just going to be there. So let's say you refer someone to the platform. Basically, you will receive 300 SBs, which is 300 points, and then you will receive 10% of their earnings. So basically, if the person is really active and makes, I don't know, $200 or $300 a month, you will receive 10% of their earnings. And if you refer, well, you can refer as much persons as you want. So let's say you refer, I don't know how much people you refer. And you stop using this platform. Basically, if they continue using the platform, you will still be able to earn money simply because they are still using the platform and making money with it. All right, so right now let's look at some things that you guys can do when you are using this platform. So basically you have a lot of things right here. You have the home, you have answer. So basically answer is all the surveys that you guys can fill up. So right now this account, since it's a demo account just to present you, is not completed. So I only have access to 2 surveys, but usually you guys have a lot more surveys when you create a complete account. So once again, this is just a demo account to present. You can do your gold, well, you have surveys that you can do. You have daily pools, which is some other things. For example, it's just a question that you guys can answer. So in this case, it's just a question that is right here. So it asks you, do you go hunting? So you just answer the question.
And sometimes you have tasks that you can complete. So basically in this case, we're not gonna look at it, but basically you can receive, there are tasks that you guys can do. So here we only have one task, but usually there is way more tasks that you guys can complete, and you are getting paid to complete those tasks. So as I said, if you guys invest maybe 1 hour a day in this app, you can make a really interesting income by the end of the month. All right, so there are many other things. So how you can get paid with the Swagbucks. So basically you can get paid in many ways. So you can get paid in gift cards. So usually the main way that you guys getting paid will be by gift cards. So basically you have PayPal gift cards, you can receive Amazon gift cards. There are plenty of other ways that you guys can get paid. Not only this, when you shop, for example, in Walmart or really known places, you can receive a cashback, or you can receive sometimes 4 until 4% of cashback, or in points, so in SB points. So for example, right here, if you shop at Indigo, you can receive 2% cashback and receive $10 of bonus. For example, if you shop at eBay, you can receive 1% in cashback as well as $10 in bonus. So there are plenty of ways that you guys can earn money right here. So you can earn money shopping, you can earn money buying things, you can earn money by doing surveys. There are plenty of ways that you guys can earn money just by using this platform, which is pretty cool. So let's say you want to redeem your SBs. Once again, you can buy credit card. Well, you can buy cards right here. So as you can see, you can buy Walmart cards, you can buy Best Buy cards, and you choose the price that you want to pay for your card. So basically you have from $1 to $5. So you can cash out from $5. Usually they don't have $1 gift cards. But sometimes if you're lucky, you can find some. But usually they're all $5. So as you can see here, you have a $5 Amazon gift card that costs 375 SBs, which is pretty cool. You even have gift cards that have until $100 and more, which is once again really interesting. So as you can see, everything is right here. This is all the ways that you guys can cash out the money when you have reached it. So basically, if you want to receive $100 PayPal, via PayPal, you can pay 7,500 SBs. So basically, this is the points that you guys have earned. Once again, if you guys are really active on the platform, this could be a really good side income, and you can earn this pretty quickly. All right, right now the second platform that we are going to talk about is looks pretty much the same as this one right here. But I like a little bit more the interface, but it works pretty much the same way. So in this case, the platform name is a bit different. It's called Arazo. So basically, as you can see here, it has paid a lot of money to its partners as well. So like the other thing. And basically, it works pretty much the same way. But in this platform, you can also watch videos and get paid. You have surveys that you can complete and get paid. You can play games and get paid. But once again, it depends of where you are exactly in the world. Some features cannot be available to you if you are in some parts of the world. For example, in the US, usually you have access to absolutely all the features. So for example, if you guys want to watch videos, it's possible to get paid for watching videos. So you are getting paid simply to watch videos because there are ads, and they will simply share the ad revenue with you guys who are watching the videos. So let's take a quick look into this platform. So we have it right here. So basically the main page looks something like this. Once again, you can fill up questions. So you have questions that you guys can fill up, and when it's done, you can start making money. It works pretty much the same way. 100 points is equal to $1, which is interesting. So once again, they have surveys right here. So once again, as you can see, there are surveys right there. Each survey pays 180 points, and this one 120 points. Usually they have more surveys, or sometimes it's businesses that offers not only one, but way more than one survey. You have exclusive surveys that are really for you, that appears daily. So on a daily basis, you can receive more or less surveys. So if you guys invest, once again, maybe 1 hour a day on this platform, you can make really interesting income. For example, here I have an exclusive survey that pays up to 6,500 points, which is $65 for a survey, which is pretty cool. If I invest maybe 1 hour in completing this survey, it's pretty cool receiving $65 just for 1 hour of work. So it's pretty interesting. So besides of surveys, you guys can also play games on this platform. So if we go on play games, so right here, You have plenty of games that you guys can play, and once again, getting paid for each game that you guys play. You have a limit, I think, daily, but once again, this is if you just want to play games online. Well, you can use this platform, play games, and get paid simply for playing games, like for example, I don't know, Jigsaw or any other game that you have here, which is pretty cool. You can also earn money for referring friends. So once again, if you guys refer friends, you can earn money. So for a post on Facebook, you can receive money. For a post on Twitter, you can receive money. For writing, for sending emails to your friends, you can receive points that are equal to money as well. So there are plenty of things that you guys can do with this platform. Once again, you have more things than me to be able to work with iRazo. Because once again, I'm in Canada right now, but if you are in other parts of the world, you should have a bit more things. So for example, watching videos or some other things that you can do to earn money. Another thing that you guys can do with this platform is complete offers. So here are some offers that you guys can complete. So once again, they all right here. So you can complete surveys. As you can see here, there are plenty of surveys that pays pretty much really interestingly. So basically 400 points, 200 points, 400 points, which is pretty cool. So as you can see, it's almost $5 per survey. And if it takes, for example, I don't know, 10 minutes of your life, 15 minutes of your life, it could be really, really interesting. Once again, you are not gonna be millionaire, but it's really worth it. Here you have fast paying surveys. So for example, right now there is no surveys. You have mobile things. So for example, this is some tasks that you guys can complete. So in this case, you will simply download something. So right here, for example, you need to download this application and reach the level 100. So basically you will receive 2,000 points for this, which is equal to $25. Same thing right here. So sometimes you need to, for example, download a game and reach a certain level. So if you guys game on your cell phone, you can download a bunch of games and just play it until you guys reach that level and get paid, maybe receive $15, $20, $25 just because you played a game sometime on your cell phone, which is pretty worth it. All right, so right now let's talk about how you guys can cash out all this money. So basically there are plenty of ways that you can cash it out. You can, right here you have some surveys that you can complete. So let's go in reward store. So basically you can, as you can see, all rewards. You can cash out via PayPal. You can cash out, for example, with Air Canada. As I said, I'm in Canada right now. So you can cash out in many, many ways. Once again, this is the minimum cash out. So if I want to cash out with PayPal, it's going to cost me at least $30. If I want to click on any country. So basically, if I'm in any country in the world, I can only cash out with PayPal. If I'm in the US, I can cash out in all those ways. But basically, if your goal is just receiving money in US dollars, you can cash out with PayPal. So the minimum payout is 3,000 points or $30, which is, in my opinion, really low. You can reach it with this website pretty quickly, and it's really worth it. So basically, simply by playing games, you can receive the cash out, the cash out amount. And if you guys fill up a few surveys a day, you can reach up this amount in maybe 1 to 2 days. So basically, it's really, really quick. And especially if you guys have access to a lot of surveys. So it's really worth it. They pay out pretty quickly. So this is really, really an interesting website. So as I said, 2 ways today that we talked about to make money directly online. So we talked about Swagbuck, which is an interesting platform to be able to generate an income simply by going on the website and completing some surveys or some other offers. And iRazo, which is another really interesting platform that you guys can use to be able to generate an income simply, once again, to complete offers, surveys, watching videos, playing games, and some other really simple stuff to do. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to leave a like button. It's really appreciated. And once again, thanks a lot for the support. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. It's really because of you guys. And honestly, I'm really happy to see that. Once again, if you like the channel, subscribe. I'm trying to make videos each and every week about different ways that you guys can make money online. And usually all the ways that I'm presenting you guys, I am using them. So normally they should probably work for you. So besides of that, thanks a lot for watching and see you all in my other videos.